What is affiliate marketing and how we can start and boost earnings through affiliate marketing? Are you curious about affiliate marketing? Do you want to start earning money through affiliate marketing but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll explain what affiliate marketing is and provide tips on how you can get started. Keep watching to learn more. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing grows and consolidates the digital model of the famous win-win of the corporate world. It is great for companies and brands and better for content producers. Affiliate marketing is not something new in the digital environment, but it has gained more and more followers in recent years on both sides of the process. That is, there are more companies and brands interested in adopting the affiliate program in their digital marketing strategy. Get to know about affiliate digital marketing. There are more content producers adding the brick of affiliate digital marketing to the list of revenue sources for their channels. It comes in addition to income from direct sales, Google AdSense, advertising, or branded content. It is no coincidence that more people want to know how to get started in affiliate marketing. The numbers prove the expansion of this digital version of that old expression of the corporate world, the famous win-win. However, affiliate marketing is not restricted to e-commerce. Other segments have already adopted the strategy and work with affiliate programs that reward the performance of publicity actions carried out by partners, expanding the reach of their products and services. Tips for getting started in affiliate marketing. What do you think of the criteria for remuneration? Help answer the question of who can participate in an affiliate program. In practice, anyone who has the ability to meet the criteria listed above. 1. Blog with a good audience and frequent updates. 2. Social networks with a relatively high number of followers. 3. A considerable base of contacts for sending email. 4. YouTube or Twitch channel with many subscribers and videos with many views. And for you who are already active in the digital world, the tip for getting started in affiliate marketing is to look for a program close to the content you share. Nothing prevents a football blogger from being affiliated with a pajama store. But considering the chances of generating either type of click, it would be a shortcut to be affiliated with a sporting goods store, right? Therefore, the tip is to look for programs that are related to the content produced and shared by you, with the market in which you operate, and with the public with which you relate. How to be an affiliate. After choosing the format and the dissemination channel, you will be able to become a de facto affiliate. See the step-by-step guide to becoming one. Number 1. Choose the affiliate program. There are several companies that offer affiliate programs for both physical and info products. Look for companies that pay the best commissions and inspire confidence. Number 2. Select the right products to promote. The products or services chosen must be in line with the audience. The articles you publish on a blog, for example, should answer the questions of the visitors and make some connection with the product you want to promote. Number 3. Educate your audience. The audience must be educated about what you sell to have recurring revenue. So, you can record videos talking about the service or product. In addition, in the case of an online tool, for example, you can arrange with the provider to make a free trial available to your audience. Number 4. Use paid advertising. Paid advertising can be an interesting and faster way to win over your audience. However, campaigns must be clear, with lots of information and an attractive image. How to get rewarded in digital affiliate marketing. Currently, the participant of an affiliate program can be remunerated in different ways. And this is directly related to the objectives that the company or brand defines for its affiliate marketing strategy. There are those who focus on converting into sales, but there are those who are interested in generating leads, for example. The following are the main criteria adopted by affiliate programs. Number 1. Cost per sale. The affiliate receives a commission on the sales generated from your link. The percentage may vary according to the criteria of each company or brand. Number 2. Cost per action. The reward is granted to the affiliate only if the access generated by his link performs an action within the company or brand website. Number 3. Cost per click. Clicks on the affiliate link, regardless of the platform used to advertise, website, blog, social networks, email, yield a fixed commission, paid based on criteria established by the company or brand. Number 4. Cost per 1,000 impressions. The affiliate receives his commission, usually fixed, when the company or brand banner registers more than 1,000 views. Number 5. Cost per lead. The cost per lead is related to the cost per action. But to generate the commission, the lead must be validated by the company or brand following the quality criteria the contact obtained. Number 6. Cost performance. The company or brand pays the affiliate for the number of completed forms generated by his digital channels. In this video, we've answered the question of what affiliate marketing is and how you can start earning an income through this type of online marketing. We also shared some tips for boosting your affiliate marketing earnings. To recap, here are our top 3 tips for making more money as an affiliate marketer. 1. Choose high-quality products to promote. 2. Invest in creating valuable content. 3. Use effective promotional methods. Are you ready to start implementing these strategies and see how they work for you? Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos on affiliate marketing or other digital marketing topics. Thanks for watching.